Welcome to Hampton Inn Perry, the right hotel in Perry, Florida for travelers looking for convenience and quality. Located just off Highway 98. We're pleased to be close to Perry-Foley Airport and much more. For business or pleasure, we have your accommodation needs covered. Additional points of interest near this Hampton Inn include Keaton Beach plus Econfiner River State Park, Forest Capital State Park, and more. Shady Grove, Athena, and Salem are among the small communities within easy reach. And we're the right place to stay if you have business with American Aluminum too. When you make us your hotel in Perry, expect amenities that include a free hot daily breakfast, free Wi-Fi, a free manager's reception every evening, free parking, indoor pool, fitness center, and other pleasing additions that help you enjoy your time with us. In your room, benefit from a fridge, microwave, coffee maker, and more. We look forward to meeting you. HamptonInnPerryFL.com